without error. Because of something we have linked, no, that is why it is running.
Mm-hmm.
So what I'm trying to do is, because of some link, it is not taking that particular sketch. So I want to use the same profile, inside profile. So for that, just I am creating the core. I want to try to do it in surface itself, but it is having some issue. I need to rework properly.
Okay.
Take some time. So what I'm doing is, just I'm adding this thing into the core. For that, again I have created the sketch, but I don't want to give dimensions for this line. So that I have one option like projections. So projection is nothing but whatever the part we are like, whatever the future or line, circle, dot, you can project it for your particular work or in the particular sketch. So I am doing projection, just clicking this edge. So by default, what will happen is, it will have the link with that particular picture. Whenever I am changing the future, automatically it will get updated.
Okay.
So if you see, I got this thing without any dimension. It is kind of constrained without giving the dimension. Whenever I am changing that dimension, right, it will get updated.
Okay.
So I'm removing this material. So now my core look like this for the bottom. If I have any hole or anything at the bottom, it will be easy for me to clear with the main tooling direction. Instead of no need to go for another mechanism, slider or lifter. So this thing you have to decide. Like designer has to decide where I have to keep the feature to minimize this slider and the lifter. By default, if in automotive component you will have n number of like sliders and lifters, but you have to minimize it, because if one slider or one lifter they are adding it, it will be implemented in your tool cost. So that you have the control for, because you have the control for creating the features. That future, how it is going to clear, that thing you have some idea about the manufacturing feasibility, so that according to that you have to keep your features.
Okay.
So, for example, this one. See, at the bottom means it will clear like this.
Yeah.
From here to here. Without any issue, it is went down. But the we have not given any draft, right? Definitely it will have touch condition. Touch means this part will stick to your part. So you need to provide the draft for this, and you need to provide the fillet at the at this edges. No need to give the fillet at this edges. You need to provide here and as well as here.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Got it.
So this is what slider and lifter. Anyhow, while designing automatic components, we'll we'll create it with slider and lifter tooling direction. So in today's class, just we briefed about like this thing, right? Core and cavity, and we gone through about this slider and lifter. So you just go through this material also.
Yes, sir.
So that you will get some idea, or if you have any doubt, we will discuss. Because see, in plastic part, the main thing is this slider direction, lifter direction, main tooling direction. If you understood that concept, right, then designing is not a big task. So this first week we will concentrate only on this area, this slider core. If you have any YouTube video, you refer that on also. So this is purely related to manufacturing feasibility. Once we are clear with this, according to this one only, we are going to create the B surface and C surface in the part. B surface, anyhow, we will do the replicate of A surface, but this closing surface, C surface, we need to consider about this tooling direction. So there only we will have this parting line and all. So here you will have separate parting line, because here what will meet? Your core, your part and your cavity. So here you will have the separate parting line, and here you will have the separate parting line.
Parting line,
yeah. Here you will have this is what your parting line, core, cavity. Just I will show you the parting line. Just have idea. So parting line also need to come under your geometrical set. That is another standard. Insert one new geometrical set. Inside this main tooling direction,
Mm-hmm.
So this slider 1, because we will have 2 3 sliders. Okay, slider 1 direction.
Mm-hmm.
Copy paste also.
Mm-hmm.
Slider 2 direction. Because you can mention it as tooling.
Okay.
Inside this parting line. So this parting line is nothing but this edge, right? It is having contact with your core cavity and your part edge. So just I'm going to do the
Okay.
multiple extract. So previously we used to select the surface. Now we need to select the edge, give the
Part.
tangent continuity, and then you need to change some property for this thing. So by default, your tooling parting line will be on 2 mm thickness dashed lines with a pink color. This is a standard we are following. And by default, we have this is a simple part. So we have the tooling direction of Z. So for this one, this is main tooling direction. So for this, I have to create one line. So this line, point and direction I am taking. So select the point and the direction, this direction, start point and the end point, just I am extending it. So this line color should be in green. It should be dash, or it can be in yellow also, because we have given the green background. So yellow color. So this is main tooling direction. For this slider,
Okay.
for this slider, we need to create another tooling direction. So already I have given this X, right? Going to create one line with a point and direction, clicking the point. So if you notice everything we are relating with this point. If I change this point, automatically everything will get updated without any issue. So
Okay.
what slider? Slider direction. This one also should be 2
mm.
and 2 mm thickness. So this is what you have to create. Once you created the part, this thing you need to provide, because you are the part owner, so you should know like where the slider direction, where the main tooling direction. According to that, the vendor will keep the part. So by default, your injection molding parts will be in horizontal only, right? Yesterday we seen some videos, right? In horizontal movement only will be there. According to that, they will orient the part and they will do it.
Okay.
You just today what you will do today, like you just practice this thing, add some cutout at the bottom and side, and try to give the draft and try to create the sliders.
Sliders. Okay, sir. Got it.
Okay. Anything doubt? Just let me know. We will discuss tomorrow.
Yes, sir. Sure.
Tomorrow, like 9 o'clock Indian time, 9 o'clock, we'll meet.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
I'll work on
You
slider
just
and tooling
practice
then.
it and let me know.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Bye.
Okay.